Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 279. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first thing first, you can go ahead and go to your app store. You'll be going search bar, type in Roblox, search it up, and you're gonna see whether your app shows update or not. If it shows the update, tap on update and your app will be updated. It should solve your problem. Next thing, check your internet connection. If it's not good, then it can also show you the problem right over there. If it's not, then you're gonna go ahead, long press on it, tap on delete app, delete the app entirely, and then go ahead, reinstall the app, add in the information correctly right over there, and then open up your app right over there. You shall be able to use it accordingly, and that is basically how it works. You can try to refresh it once or twice and it should also work out. Then that's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.